tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 right, speedbird 44. Sierra Alpha 24, taxi to parking.
Taxiing to parking. Sierra Alpha 24.
North Shuttle 356, London Heathrow ground, speedbird 791, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Pushback approved, Sierra Victor Alpha 0004.
Taxiing to parking, speedbird 66. Speedbird 791, taxi to runway 27 right, contact tower when ready. London Heathrow ground, Bravo Oscar Uniform Romeo November Echo, ready for pushback with information Alpha. Taxiing to runway 27 right, speedbird 791. London Heathrow ground, Delta Lima Victor Alpha 67, ready for pushback with information Alpha. Bravo Oscar Uniform Romeo November Echo, pushback approved, expect runway 27 left. Pushback approved, Bravo Oscar Uniform Romeo November Echo. London Heathrow ground, Qantas 10, ready for pushback with information Alpha.
London Heathrow ground, Clipper 253, request taxi to parking.
London Heathrow ground, Sierra Victor Alpha 0004, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Clipper 253, taxi to parking. London Heathrow ground, Qantas 10, ready for pushback with information Alpha. London Heathrow ground, Bravo Oscar Uniform Romeo November Echo, ready to taxi with information Alpha. Bravo Oscar Uniform Romeo November Echo, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 left, Bravo Oscar Uniform Romeo November Echo. Sierra Victor Alpha 0004, taxi to runway 27 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 27 right, Sierra Victor Alpha 0004.
London Heathrow ground, Lufthansa 794, ready to taxi with information Alpha. Qantas 10, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right. Lufthansa 794, taxi to runway 27 right, contact tower when ready. Pushback approved, Qantas 10. Taxiing to runway 27 right, Lufthansa 794. London Heathrow ground, Delta Lima Victor Alpha 67 heavy, ready for pushback with information Alpha. Delta Lima Victor Alpha 67 heavy, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right. Pushback approved, Delta Lima Victor Alpha 67 heavy. Speedbird 44, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. London Heathrow Tower, North Shuttle 356, ready for takeoff at runway 27 right, departing north. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, speedbird 44. North Shuttle 356, line up and wait runway 27 right. Line up and wait runway 27 right, North Shuttle 356. London Heathrow Tower, speedbird 169, inbound on the ILS runway 27 right. Speedbird 169, number 1, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Sierra Victor Alpha 243, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved. Sierra Victor Alpha 243, good day. North Shuttle 356, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 right, speedbird 169. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, North Shuttle 356. London Heathrow Tower, speedbird 791, ready for takeoff at runway 27 right, departing straight out. Speedbird 791, line up and wait runway 27 right. Line up and wait runway 27 right, speedbird 791. Shuttle 601, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Speedbird 791, runway 27 right, cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, speedbird 791. London Heathrow Tower, Blue 122 is 11 nautical miles to the east at 3,400 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 right.
London Heathrow Tower, speedbird 488, ready for takeoff at runway 27 left, departing straight out.
Speedbird 488, hold short of runway 27 left.
Holding short runway 27 left, speedbird 488.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, shuttle 601.
London Heathrow Tower, American 142, ready for takeoff at runway 27 right, departing straight out. Speedbird 18 heavy, please follow instructions or you will be ghosted. American 142, line up and wait runway 27 right. Line up and wait runway 27 right, American 142. Speedbird 18 heavy, please check tutorials on the forum for assistance using ATC instructions. Blue 122, number 1, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Blue 122. Speedbird 169, when able turn left, contact ground on the taxiway. Wilco, Speedbird 169. London Heathrow Tower, American 142, ready for takeoff at runway 27 right, departing straight out.
Number 2, cleared for the option, runway 27 left, speedbird 18 heavy.
American 142, line up and wait runway 27 right. Line up and wait runway 27 right, American 142. Speedbird 488, line up and wait runway 27 left.
Line up and wait runway 27 left, speedbird 488.
American 142, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, American 142. Speedbird 488, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 27 left. Speedbird 488.
Speedbird 791, frequency change approved, good day. Speedbird 44, frequency change approved, good day. Thank you, good day, Speedbird 791.
London Heathrow Tower, Sierra Victor Alpha 0004, ready for takeoff at runway 27 right, departing east.